is only the beginning. Introducing the next all-electric supertruck, the revolutionary GMC Hummer EV SUV. If one supertruck can change the world, imagine what two can do. Be among the first to own the revolutionary GMC Hummer EV SUV.
If one supertruck can change the world, imagine what two can do. Introducing GMC Hummer EV SUV and pickup, the world's first all-electric supertrucks. The quiet revolution begins with a nearly silent all-electric propulsion system. And for the brave souls who dare to engage watts to freedom, the thrill of our pickup accelerating 0 to 60 in approximately 3 seconds. The innovation continues with next-generation Super Cruise, a driver assistance feature that offers hands-free driving with automatic lane changing on compatible roads. With CrabWalk, Hummer EV has the ability to drive diagonally, something no pickup or SUV in the industry can match. Available UltraVision provides up to 18 camera views on the pickup and up to 17 on the SUV. For remarkable driving precision, Hummer EV is engineered with four-wheel steering to reduce turning radius and enhance overall maneuverability. But we didn't stop there. We engineered the Hummer EV with Ultium batteries for ultra-fast charge times, allowing the pickup to charge nearly 100 miles in just 10 minutes. But Hummer EV is more than an off-road beast, because it delivers an unprecedented combination of innovation and luxury. Infinity roof, transparent sky panels, and rear drop glass give the Hummer EV an immersive open-air design, so you can experience the world like never before. The revolutionary all-electric Hummer EV pickup and SUV.